Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Toyota Camry, and on this 2012 the check engine light is on, and so we're going to go and read the code and see what comes up. Turn the key on to the accessory position. We've got a OBD2 scanner hooked up, and then we'll go through the main diagnostic screen. This part, it's linking with the vehicle, and we're going to confirm our check engine light is on, and then we're going to read the codes. I'm going to see the stored codes, and it's saying the P0031, the H02, the heater control circle low bank sensor. Those are the O2 sensors, the H02. So it's the first O2 sensor. You've got two O2 sensors on your car. You've got a top one and a bottom one. It's recommended if one goes bad to replace them both at the same time. And so I'm going to show you where it's at and how you would access it. And there is a video of how to replace it. So this is the exhaust manifold, and here is the sensor. And we've got an electrical connector. It goes right here. You just squeeze the back here and pull, and to pull it out. And then you can get a 22 millimeter on this to loosen it up and take that sensor out. So you just squeeze the back and pull that connector up, and then get a 22 millimeter wrench on there, or socket. Due to this one, you can actually put the socket over here and loosen it up, and there is a previous video of how to replace that will link with this. But you would just go ahead and replace this sensor, and then go ahead and hook the connection back up, and then you would be able to now we can go and check the code and be able to fix that. So we have the car in the accessory position, and we're going to go in and to erase the code, and then it's asking if we're sure we want to do that, and we say yes because we did replace the part. And you can check again and know that it's completely gone out of there. And now you would just go ahead and start the car and see that the code has been removed out of the system. And that is how you diagnose the O2 sensor. You can see that was the O2 sensor up top. There's also one on the bottom. Like I said, it's highly recommended that you replace them both at the same time. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.